Hello everyone. Before diving into today's topic, we want to take a moment to thank you for your support. Every like, comment, and subscription truly makes a difference and helps this channel grow. If you enjoy our content and don't want to miss upcoming videos, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to receive all updates. The question of whether the universe and life were intelligently designed has fascinated and challenged humanity for centuries. It is not just a philosophical reflection but a question deeply intertwined with science, cosmology, evolutionary biology, and even theology. Every step we take toward a deeper understanding of the physical laws that govern the universe, the intrinsic structure of matter, and the mysterious origins of life inevitably leads us to wonder whether there is an intelligent principle behind it all, a sort of cosmic mind that, in some way, designed our universe and the conditions in which we live. From a scientific perspective, there are countless examples that seem to suggest a great precision, or fine-tuning, in various natural phenomena. Physical laws, such as the gravitational constant or the speed of light, appear to be perfectly calibrated to allow for the existence of life. Imagine if the gravitational constant were weaker or stronger than it is. In both cases, the entire universe would be radically different. If gravity were weaker, stars would not have the ability to form, and without stars, there would be no planets where life could evolve. If it were too strong, stars would burn out too quickly, consuming their fuel in just a few million years, leaving too little time for the formation of life-friendly environments. The same applies to the speed of light or Planck's constant. Even a small variation in these values would drastically change the course of cosmic and biological history. The question of how the universe has been tuned to allow life lies at the heart of one of modern cosmology's most fascinating enigmas, known as the fine-tuning problem. The probability that a random universe could possess such incredibly precise characteristics seems extraordinarily low, to the point that some scientists, such as physicist John Barrow, suggest that a rational explanation for such precision might not be mere chance but rather a manifestation of a deeper principle. Could it be that the universe is not just a random phenomenon of natural forces but the result of some kind of design or intrinsic principle that organizes matter and energy in such a way as to enable the emergence of life? This concept does not necessarily imply a deity in the traditional sense but rather a form of intelligence, or universal order, that guides the evolution of natural laws. At the biological level, the idea of intelligent design becomes even more intriguing, as biology itself seems inherently oriented toward the emergence of increasingly complex and sophisticated life forms. Evolution through natural selection, as formulated by Darwin, is a process that, while relying on the randomness of genetic mutations, inevitably leads to highly optimized solutions for organism survival. In this context, natural selection is not just a struggle for survival but also a mechanism that drives the evolution of incredibly sophisticated biological structures, finely adapted to the environments in which organisms live. This adaptation is not merely a mechanical process but seems like a pathway leading to ever greater complexity. Think, for example, of the structure of DNA, which encodes an infinite variety of living organisms, each with its own unique characteristics. Every cell, every molecule seems to be designed in such a way as to fulfill a specific function essential for life. Another example of this apparent design in biology is the human brain, one of the most complex and sophisticated organs we know. The study of synapses and neural connections, as explored by Lisman and Connors in 2005, has revealed an extremely dynamic and adaptive network of communication between nerve cells. Electrical synapses in the brain can transmit signals rapidly and efficiently, but what is astonishing is that they are not fixed. Rather, they are modifiable based on experience and learning. This phenomenon, known as neuroplasticity, suggests that the brain is not just an organ that processes information but a system that self-organizes, adapts, and continuously modifies itself in response to external stimuli. This self-evolution of the brain, which adapts to environmental changes and individual experiences, is a manifestation of how complexity can emerge through a dynamic and adaptive process. Our mind, therefore, is not just the result of a simple evolutionary process but an example of how life, in a way, designs itself, and changes according to its needs. However, the idea that the universe and life may be the result of intelligent design is not limited to biology or physics. It also challenges our deepest conceptions about the very nature of reality. Some philosophers and scientists, such as mathematician Roger Penrose, suggest that the universe may possess an intrinsic quality of order that has never been fully understood. Penrose, for example, has proposed that the universe might be governed by laws that are not merely deterministic but that have a kind of purpose, or intention, guiding cosmic evolution. This view suggests that the cosmos is not just a place where matter and energy interact randomly but that every part of it is interconnected in a complex design leading to the emergence of life and consciousness. Furthermore, the idea of intelligent design is not necessarily in conflict with the theory of evolution or modern cosmology. On the contrary, many scientists have suggested that natural selection and cosmological evolution are processes that occur within a broader design. This does not mean that the universe was created like a well-oiled machine, with every single event predetermined, but rather that there exists a natural order that allows complexity to emerge progressively, both at the cosmic and biological levels. In this sense, science is not opposed to the idea of intelligence guiding evolution but rather helps us understand how such intelligence expresses itself through natural laws. Ultimately, the question of the intelligent design of the universe and life invites us to look at the cosmos and our existence with fresh eyes, seeking to see not only what is evident but also what might be hidden behind the laws of nature. Whether the universe was truly designed or simply evolved in such a way as to allow life, the fundamental question remains: what is the meaning of our existence in such an extraordinarily complex and precise cosmos? The answer to this question, though still elusive, pushes us to reflect on our place in the universe and on the greatest mystery surrounding us, that of intelligence and design, whether it is the result of cosmic forces or a universal mind guiding creation. Every new scientific discovery, every advancement in our understanding of physics and biology, brings us closer to the possibility of deciphering the mystery of how and why the universe exists, and whether behind it all lies a greater design that, in some way, connects us to the vastness of existence. Thank you for watching. We invite you once again to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.